In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage petty cash in Xero. Managing petty cash is an important aspect of maintaining clear and organized financial records for your business. So let's dive in and simplify the process together, ensuring that you're efficiently using Xero's features. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to Xero. You can either search for Xero through a search engine or go directly to their website. Once you reach Xero's homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login to access your Xero account using your credentials. Now that we're inside Xero, take a look at the dashboard. This is where you'll find various tools and options for managing your business finances. To begin setting up your petty cash account, locate the search icon, which is typically found at the top of the dashboard. It's represented as a magnifying glass. Click on it. Type the word bank into the search box. By doing this, you're instructing Xero to filter your options and direct you to all of your banking-related functionalities. Once you see all bank accounts in the options provided, click on it to view the page where all your existing bank accounts are listed. Here, you're going to add a new bank account specifically for managing petty cash. To do this, click on Add Bank Account. You'll notice that Xero offers several ways to set up a bank account, including options with or without a bank feed. For managing petty cash, we will select Add Without Bank Feed. This allows for more manual control suitable for handling small cash transactions. After choosing to proceed without a bank feed, click Continue. You'll then see an option to select account type. From this list, choose Other. This is because a petty cash fund typically doesn't fit traditional bank account types, and Other gives us the flexibility we need. Now, we're going to name this account. Simply call it petty cash so there's no confusion about what this account is used for. Next, you'll be prompted to add the bank name. Since this is petty cash and not linked to a traditional bank, you can enter a simple placeholder name or even petty cash fund. Once you've filled in these details, click on Add Account to create your new petty cash account within Xero. You should now see this new account listed among your bank accounts. To start managing it, click on Manage Account. Here, you've unlocked various options to manage your petty cash. You can record transactions, review your balance, and make adjustments as necessary. Each option available will help you keep your petty cash organized and your records up to date. And that's it. You've set up your petty cash account in Xero, making handling small cash expenses much easier and more effective. Thanks for following along, and I hope your experience with Xero becomes more streamlined and enjoyable.